Today I want to review the dehumidifier just purchased recently from Amazon. This is a 30-point dehumidifier. I had a 70-point, but that's for the house. I want to get a separate one for the garage because it's been raining whole week. And as you can see, this one have one big display to show the humidity level, and then there's a smaller one and then with the other controls on top. And here is the noise level for the fast or high. It's actually have two levels, and then here is for the low. Yeah, so once it's in the low level, I don't think you can noticeable if you actually far away from it. And then there's the other buttons. This is actually which I like. If you hold it for 3 seconds, it will show you the temperature, current temperature, and I just checked with my thermometer is pretty accurate. And then this button is interesting, is for drying clothes according to the instructions. They said if you have wet clothes nearby, you can hit this one and they will try to dry the clothes that you hang nearby, I guess. You don't see any water level indicator other than there's indicator saying the bucket is full. It's actually behind. This is showing the water level in the bucket, and then here is the port for plugging a drain or a drain hole, and then the top is filter. You probably want to clean like once a while. And then this one is actually metal. I think it's just the fan. The wind is blowing inside. This is actually where the air going in, and then the air blow off on the top. And that's it. So far so good. Is compared to my 70s, smaller, more compact and light, and also the noise level is pretty low. So far so good. I like it pretty much. Thank you.